What's up, everyone? Sometimes starting a brand new DBT project can feel like a full day task. Normally, this means you're jumping between Snowsite, your IDE of choice, your terminal, your DBT repo, defining schemas, writing models, adding tests, running builds, validating outputs, and maybe throwing together a quick report to share results. With Cortex Code CLI, we can do all of that in a single prompt. This is your data native AI coding agent that provides Snowflake expertise directly in your terminal or favorite IDE. Let's try it out. So I'm going to go to my VS Code and I'm just going to start up Cortex with my PM connection. So from here, Cortex Code has a connection to my data sets. And so I'm going to say, hey, find all the tables within this database and this schema listed out. Awesome. So Cortex was able to go ahead and find the 8 tables located right here. So now I'll go ahead and paste my prompt of what I need Cortex to do now that it has the context of these tables. So what I want Cortex to do is create me a DBT project that uses these source tables to create an operations pipeline to analyze weekly food truck performance using this Tasty Bites data set that it now sees. It's going to create various tables that I need and ultimately add some appropriate tests, run and validate these outputs, and generate a shareable HTML summary of those results. Awesome. With this single prompt to create a DBT project, I was able to use Cortex's knowledge of DBT and all of my data sets to run an end-to-end development loop from building the model to creating tests, running the model, and then generating results. What used to take hours of context switching across tools now takes minutes. If I wanted, I could also ask Cortex things like, why did you structure the data models this way? I could also ask it to add more tests for nulls and uniqueness, or refactor, or optimize different queries for performance. Cortex doesn't just write the model, it walks the full lifecycle build, test, validate, report. Instead of stitching together a pipeline across several tools, you stay in the flow. So, what DBT workflow will you automate next?